Let's first show you how to purchase some Gpul and also provide liquidity to this project so you can get going on the first leg of this ecosystem. So I'm going to come over to the gamma polypulsar.farm site and I'm going to go to trade. And I want to buy some Gpul, so I like to right click and open that up in a new tab, and it's going to open the website called Finance. And we are going to want to buy some Gpul. So let's say I want to buy 10 Gpul, but I don't want to use my matic, I want to use my USDC. And as you can see, 10 Gpul costs 57 cents. One of the important things to mention here is this gear icon. So we might need to actually increase our slippage. As you can see, mine's up to 9%. That is going to be necessary because there is an 8% tax on this project. So you always want to make sure your slippage tolerance is up to at least 9% for this project. And as you can see, these 10 Gpuls are going to cost me 57 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and swap. And then I'm going to confirm my swap. And I like to edit my gas fees to make this go a little quicker. And let's go up to 6 and save. Good to go. So now that we bought this Gpul, we're going to turn it into liquidity for the project. So we're going to go back to the Polypulsar farm page. And in this trade tab, there should be a liquidity. We bought Gpul, so we want to pair it with matic. So we're going to right click on that, open a new tab. Again, it's going to open Finance. And we're going to put the 10 Gpul that we just bought. Then it will automatically dictate equal parts of matic. So it's saying 10 Gpul is worth 0.34 matic. So it's putting equal parts matic and Gpul into this liquidity. So I'm going to hit supply. There might be an additional click here where you have to actually approve it. I have already obviously supplied liquidity, so I don't have to approve this contract anymore because I've already done it. So I'm going to increase my gas fees. Increasing the gas fees aren't necessary. I just do it because it goes quicker. I don't like to wait. And transaction is now confirmed. So now we should have our liquidity, and we're going to want to go over to the Polypulsar page again and click on the farms. Now again, I've already approved this contract here, but we're going to stake our Gpul / matic LP that we just put together. So we're going to click on the plus here, and as you can see, I have 1.5584 whatever matic Gpul LP right here. So I'm going to hit max, so I stake all of it, and that is the LP we just put together. So I'm going to confirm that transaction, and transaction is now confirmed. So we just saw this Gpul / matic LP staked increase. So we are now staked, and now that we've staked our liquidity, let me show you how to harvest. So as you can see, there's a harvest button right here where you can harvest the Gpul that you've earned, but it's also on the home page here. So you could also potentially do it here. So 2 ways to do the same thing. Hey Siri, stop. So 2 ways to do the same thing. I will warn you, there is a 2-hour countdown timer on this, so you can only harvest every 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest that just to show you what that looks like. Again, you'll get a transaction to confirm. And let's save this, confirm, and transaction was confirmed. So I just harvested this Gpul and it was put into my wallet now. So now that we staked our liquidity, you know how to harvest. We're going to take those to the bounty hunter game.